Yeah, that's better. Anyway, sorry I'm in my pajamas, but I don't think I'll go out today. I saw a very interesting program on the COVID thing on the ABC television the other night, and the quote that stuck with me is this: "Our greatest enemy now is not the virus, it is complacency." Would you be quiet? That's the cat that hates me. I'm typing something on my phone. Could you? I love you. I look after you. I feed you. What more can I do? Anyway, I've done a cooking show. It's called Cooking with Sam. Can you read that? Cooking. I sort of ran out of space at the end there. Cooking with Sam. And I'll put it up later on. It's not just about cooking. I thought I'd do some poetry as well, which is something else I've been rediscovering in lockdown, how wonderful poetry can be. And I enjoyed reading it aloud. Love poems today. Don't know if you like good love poem or not, but that's what's up later on today. The cat's being quiet, all is well. Stay safe.